So when I'm talking about metal fab here, I'm talking about predominantly people that are dealing with thicker metals, plate stock. And that plate stock can be aluminum, mild steel, stainless steel, a lot of welding going on here, making, say, cranes or farm equipment or construction equipment or something like that. Most of these products in this metal fab category are going to be painted before they leave and go out into the field to do whatever they're doing. Anybody that's painting anything that's metal is using abrasives. They have to key the surface so that that paint has something to stick to. Common tools that you'll see when you go into these places, they're using belt sanders. There's wide belt sanders, there's air file sanders, there's backstand sanders, there's benchtop sanders, there's die grinders, there's right angle grinders, there's orbital sanders. And whenever you go into any place, I like to tell people the first thing that I do is I listen. You can hear those air tools running or a belt sander running, and that lets you know that somebody's using some sort of a consumable on some sort of a tool that you can sell them. You see some of the products there: flat disc, quick change disc, belts, fiber, PSA. So Metal Fab, great opportunity for you to go out and call on your customers and sell them a great consumable. It's nice repeat business.